Hi, my name is Emma Elizabeth and I'm a part of the Kryolan Pro team, and I'm going to be showing you how to use your high glosses as a professional makeup artist and also for your consumers. So we have 22 high glosses that you can choose from, and they are all completely gluten-free, creamy, comfortable and caring for your lips. So I'm going to be starting with our Crystal Rose, which is our clear lip gloss to start with. I'm then going to be moving on to a few more colours to show you how pigmented these high glosses really are. It's a super caring product, which I actually really enjoy using because they're not sticky like most other glosses. You can apply it straight to the lip from the application, or if this was for a client, you may want to apply it with a brush. You can see how intense that shine is literally just from one swipe. They actually smell really good too, which is always really nice for a lip gloss. So this is our Crystal Rose lip gloss, and you can see how intense that shine is. This is just on its own as well, which is also quite nice to have. However, you can also use this with other lip products. Next, I'm going to be using our high gloss in Toffee, and this is your perfect everyday colour. You can see how pigmented these lip gloss colours are. I like to apply my lip gloss into the centre of the lips first, and then I will start to drag out the colour to the outer corners of my lips. But you can see what a beautiful build-up of colour just by a few swipes of using our high gloss. Next, I'm going to be using the high gloss in Fairy. This is actually one of my favourite colours because it's pretty universal and can be used on most skin tones. You can already see that intense shine. Because it has a really pretty gold and pink reflect, it looks super shimmery and extra shiny. Next, I'm going to be using our high gloss in High Key. This time, because the colour is a little bit more intense, I'm going to use a brush to make sure I get the best application. To decant our lip gloss, I'm going to apply this straight to a palette. I'm going to be using the Blue Masters 8902 brush. This is the most perfect lip brush because it gives you control and also precision while you're applying your colour. Starting from the middle of the lip, working to the outer portions. So when applying your lip gloss, by using the brush, because of the shape, this is going to give you the most perfect outline, meaning it is so much easier to use. So one of my best top tips that I can give you is to make sure that you bite down on a tissue, and that is just going to take off any excess. Next, I'm going to be using the high gloss in Vamp. I would always start with less on your brush and apply more later. This is so that you don't get too much build up in the centre of the lip or that it starts to bleed. Using a brush with precision makes this so much easier than trying to use a brush that doesn't have sharp edges. To get a stronger build up of colour, just add an extra layer. This is what's really nice about our high glosses, they are super buildable. To find a lip gloss that has this much pigment is so rare. Honestly, I have been in the makeup industry for such a long time now, and this is the truest red that you are going to come across. For any of our darker high glosses, I would always recommend using the cleansing oil because of the pigment. It's so intense that it actually sometimes stains your lips. Then using your micellar water, you want to remove any oily residue. This should also get rid of anything that still remains on the lip. For our final look, we're going to be creating a brand new colour by customising two of our high glosses, using the colour Toffee and Dull to create a pretty softer pink. I have applied an even amount of each colour, and I'm now going to just apply it straight onto the lips. Oh, it's such a nice colour. Okay, so might be a new favourite for me. I feel like this is just a really, really nice, pretty pink that suit a lot of skin tones. It's nice because even if you don't have the whole range, you can make many variations just between a few colours. So we've just tried out a few of our colours from the range, but we've got over 20 on the website, so make sure you go and check them out. Thank you so much for watching our video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to follow, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.